Yeah, so in response to the comments request ya package ya hemorrhoids, we have three packages that we usually recommend for hemorrhoid. However, we have two types of hemorrhoid. We have the internal hemorrhoid and we have the external. The internal in affect the rectum from the inside, and then the external yenye ina continue proceed project from the anal area. Unasikia ni kama the anal area inataka kukani kama ina protrude from outside, so that is external. Na pia kwa external you can find that you might develop some inflammations, or you might develop what we call fissures. Fissures ni hizo kupasuka, unasikia kama inapasuka and then it is presenting with blood. Now those are what we call the fissures. And then unaweza pata pia kwa the anal area, they are very hard, zimekuwa very hard to a point that even you trying to pass to go for a long haul, it is becoming so difficult. Okay, so for internal hemorrhoid, we usually have a package both for internal, and then also for external. We also have the internal plus the external for applying. So first of all, we have sliparium. However, kuna causes mingi za hemorrhoid. Inaweza kuwa diet related. It can also be because of what we call obesity. When you tend to fail to manage your weight, you might end up suffering from hemorrhoid. Then we also have other issues to do with lifestyle. Taking too much processed foods, lack of fiber, that is the diet I talked about. It might trigger what we call you suffering from hemorrhoid. You also have difficulty in bowel movement. You tend to unakawia sana kwa choo. You tend to take long time, so long period or hours in trying to excrete. That way, it might cause pressure on the veins, and then it might lead to you feeling like you're constipated. Yeah, so with that, we usually recommend you take a package, something slimy, like a sliparium. If not sliparium, maybe you can get okra from your grocery. You can also take lettuce, or we call it mrenda, watu wengine wanaita pod, depending on the community you come from. That one you can also use to help you with mucosal lining. So it repairs the mucosal lining, and it enhances the bowel movement. It is also rich in alkalizing the entire gut system. So that one is Liparium. And then we have this formulation. It's a combination of different herbs. These ones, they contain what we call anti-inflammatories in excess, because when the moment you're undergoing chronic constipation, that is hemorrhoid, you tend to get inflammations either internally or externally.